New feature alert, you can now add lyrics to music when you're adding music to your Instagram Reels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the lyrics, different variations of the lyrics, and then how to remove them from your Instagram Reel. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. So this feature doesn't work in Instagram Reels. You're going to have to create a story of the video with the music and then put it into Instagram Reels. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to start by going into your profile and then the plus signs and let's say story. So here's this video of me just pumping iron this morning because I do that every day. And let's say I want to add music to it. Before I decide on which music, like say I do want to do this music, I strongly suggest that you save the song first. So how you can do that is you can go and you can find a song by going through Instagram Reels. You can find a trending song. So see if you see here, the music name is here at the bottom, that arrow pointing up. That is going to allow you to go to that song and then you click on trending. And you're going to be able to see everything that's trending. So say this is this first one. This is the one that I'm going to make with the song lyrics. So I'm going to save that so that I can easily access it later. Now I am going to go back to my profile. I'm going to go to that plus. I'm going to go story. I'm going to add that same clip of me pumping iron. And then I'm going to go to my music. I'm going to go to my saved. And then I'm going to click on the song. I'm going to select the type I want it to show the lyrics in. So how do I want it to display it? Let's say this one I want it to type out. Don't adjust it on screen now because all it's going to do is move the part of the song that is playing. First you want to press done. So do done. And now move that to where you want the text to show up. There we go. So now I want to save this. However, it's not going to allow me to save this with the music, but that's good because if I save with the music, it's not going to link to the music in my Reels. So all I need to do is save this. To do that, I'm going to press the 3 dots here at the end and save. I like this new song. I can see why it's like trending #1. Okay, now I'm going to get out of here, get out of my story, and I'm going to go into my Instagram Reel. So here is the lyrics. I'm going to go to my audio. I'm going to go to saved. I'm going to click the same one. Perfect. So there you have it. Now you have your reel with the text of the lyrics playing in your reel. This song is really cool. I need to listen to the whole thing. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.